He's eating the toadfish.
God.
Oh my God.
Oh my God.
He's gonna eat the toadfish. He's picking it up.
Get it, Bob.
Get it, Bob. You don't swallow it whole.
Did it hiss at him? That's what I hissed at him.
Get it, Bob. Get that fish. Get that fish, Bob. Get it. It's got him.
Wait, what?
It had him for a second.
It bit him?
His beak. Get him, Bob.
That's funny as hell.
We're having all kinds of fun today out on the pier with this bird.